Tara, thank you. The drive home for many people should be a lot smoother than the morning commute with that snow band moving out of western New York.
That's right. And along with all that snow the past few days that we've seen comes plenty of complaints about road conditions from local streets to the highways. Our Jeff Preval hears from the state DOT about how their crews performed. Jeff?
Yeah, we're hearing from a number of drivers out there who have been talking about the messy roads out there, particularly state roads. We're talking about the 219, also Mile Strip Road, Southwestern Boulevard. You can also throw Route 5 into that as well. Now, here is video of the morning commute, how it looked on the 190 in both directions from Grand Island and at the 190 split with the 198. Very slow there as well. There was congestion on every major highway this morning in the Buffalo area. A spokesperson says that the DOT was ready for this storm when it first impacted the region on Monday night, pre-treating roads. The DOT says that they have been fully staffed and stocked with more than 200 plows on the roads across western New York. Even with this, however, the morning commute was very tough.
Visibility was reduced by the blowing and the drifting snow from the wind, so that's a challenge. We did have traffic traveling at reduced speeds this morning due to that low visibility, but, there's nothing that can be done about that.
It can take an hour, sometimes 2 hours for state DOT drivers to go through their route and start it all over again, and it's especially difficult in whiteout conditions and with more cars on the road. We've heard of plows breaking down in other municipalities. The state DOT says that they have not had to deal with that problem. The state DOT says that their response to the storm, along with other agencies, that it continues today with more plowing and treating of the roads. Live in Buffalo, Jeff Preval, News 4.